Learn how you can log out from your Facebook account on your laptop, desktop, and in MacBook. You have logged out successfully from your Facebook account. For more tutorials that solve your problem, go to YouTube and type tutorials.globally and come to this channel and watch other videos and that help you to solve your problems as well. If you don't want to miss these types of tutorials, then make sure to subscribe to tutorials.globally.com channel. For more easy to understand tutorials, you can visit tutorials.globally.com.